nandito na tayo sa Cameron. Inabot kami ng 3 hours dun sa biyahe. Medyo nakakapagod yung ride kasi parang Baguio, zigzag. So anyway, magtutour muna kami. Okay, pababa na tayo sa stairs. Check natin yung plantation dito sa baba. So, nandito na tayo sa baba. Makikita nyo, ito yung isang area lang ng mayroong mga tea. Mag-iikot pa kami, check namin yung ibang plantation kung mas maganda dun sa ibang area. Nandito tayo sa next stop ng tea plantation. So, mag-picture taking lang kami dito. Ito yung isang view ng tea plantation farm.
Kasta?
Nagpalengke ka man?
Celery.
Celery.
Ito ang tawag doon, radish.
Radish. Oh, dyan ako pinaglihi.
Ito lang.
Oh. Totoo nga, dyan nga.
Tapos broccoli na yun. Ito yung panamanong kilo tigatangan ta.
You see, this one is his bullet when he goes hunting in the jungle. Okay? You see this black one? This one is poison.
Okay.
All made out of tree. If he shoots, let's say they usually target the neck. Okay, about 15 minutes, he can die. Yeah. So within seconds after they shoot it, they will chop the head off because they don't want the poison to go through the blood veins. Okay? This one to slow down the animal. If this one, like for big animals like wild boar, monkeys like that. Okay? So you see, this is how he goes hunting. He doesn't wear any slip or nothing.
Saya tak pakai. Pakai macam ni.
They don't go hospitals, no clinics. They all use nature. Even if they get hurt, they even stitch themselves using the nature.
Nampak
Okay?
di tangan? Kena pisau.
You see the hand
Malam.
gets knife, but doesn't go hospital, nothing. He just treat himself using the nature. Okay?
Okay lah, tangki.
Kakarating lang natin sa falls. Papunta tayo ngayon sa falls. Medyo madaming tao kasi parang puntahan talaga ng turista itong area na to.